A blessing was spoken over a stranger with Esau's face, and the whole room froze as Isaac realized the voice wasn't his elder son. Jacob stood there in borrowed clothes, carrying the weight of a choice he could not undo. But the blessing still landed, which means the moment Esau returned, the truth cut through the tent like fire. Isaac trembled, Esau cried out, and Jacob fled for his life. Yet God met Jacob on the run, showing that grace can reach even those who stumble. And that's why this ancient story still reminds us that God works through imperfect people who return to Him.